Good morning, my name is Lady Pinto, case I1. It is online platform that push to people in contact, a travel and the host to publish and reserve accommodation around the world. The crisis that occurred in Spain allowed this idea to be born and help other people to have new income with easy accommodation. Is it the problem? They bought business idea that they used to publish accommodation for visitors for other countries or cities and give people the opportunity to offer space in their homes to be able to long day and thus and earn money. But they could not control the terrain of the comfort that they received offered to people inside accommodation, and that could be cause a problem for users inside the would not be satisfied and could give up the application and thus the user to currently travel to 25 cities, giving tech and offering of the private good accommodation, where there was love of hospitality, he created standards and created a blog where hosts could learn good host practice. Causes. The company wanted the people who were staying to feel like part of the place, feel comfort in the place. Consequence, thank yous for the tax that the company wanted to offer good experience to the user and they talk about satisfaction. The company offered a learning system for hope of good hosting practice and they attract many people and it was very successful. Bye bye.